Now in this chapter of string manipulation, let's do few programs. So I have created this class with the name stmani1. So open editor and let's maximize it, and I have already deleted this sample program. So first line, let's type public static void main string args, then square bracket and this bracket closed. After that, this main curly braces. Now let's type, first of all, declare the variable of string data type, that is string string. Let's give the name to the variable a, and also let's give its value initialization, and we are going to initialize it with the value vj semicolon. Now we all know that string values will be enclosed within the double quotes, unlike the character values in the single quotes in that case. Now second is string b. Let's give the value to the b variable computer, and after that let's copy it and we are going to paste it, and here we can change the values. See, here we can write easy understanding and we can give some space over here before we close it within the double quotes, because we are going to use the trim function for the string manipulation. And now d1, we can give the value Vijay Kumar Pandey, and here let's give it name d1, and here we can write Vijay, then k can be in capital, and then p can be capital, and now d2, now string d2 again we can give the value, because we can then use compare function to compare the value for d1 and d2. Let's give this variable name d2, and here we can again copy the same value, now then one more string variable we can have is e, and here we can give the value any other name, just like we can give delete and then day. Now we are going to use the string function with the output statement system dot out dot println. Now first of all we are going to change the lowercase into uppercase, uppercase of Vijay, and then double quotes closed, then plus operator, then a dot to upper case, and since it is a method or function, so opening closing bracket, and now we are again going to copy this because we have to use so many output statements, so it will save your time. Now let's use another function which is replace. So here we can change the value after replacing m with n, letter m with letter n. So here we are going to use replace function, b dot replace now the letters, letter m comma letter n, and here one more bracket, here also one more bracket is required. Now next is control V. Now next function we are going to use is string function, the string after removing blank space. We need to type the message. The string after removing blank space, or here the string which has the blank space is C. So we are going to use the variable name C, and now C dot trim function we are going to use. C dot trim. Trim is the function available in the library, so we are using that. Now next statement will be for equals. We are going to use now equals function, and it's going to compare the equal string. Now we have given it name D1 and D2. So we are going to compare these two strings. Here I'm going to write D1, and the function we are going to use is equals, and here the next string variable name D2, and of course one more bracket is required over here. After that, now we are going to use length function, string function. So how can we calculate the length of the string? So message for the user. Length of string. Which string? Now the name of the string, here we have given its name E, so we can write it by writing the name E dot, then the function we are calling is length. In Java, the functions are called as methods. So E dot length, and we can recognize with these two brackets. If any name and it's suffixed by these two brackets, it means this is function, or in Java we call them as methods. These are the methods, string methods used for manipulating the strings. Now next function we are going to use char at. So again, Control V, and character at 5th position we can fetch character at 5th position, of which string we are going to see. Let's take it B. We have given the value to be computer, and B dot char at. Now char at is the method we are going to use by using dot operator. Char at. Java is case sensitive, so we should take care about the lower cases and upper cases. Char at, and we want to know which character is on at 5th place of string with the name B. So after that, one more bracket is required. Now Control V, and last we can use the concat method. For that you can write, so here also we can change what's written over here. We can change the message. The concat of the string A concat E. Concat means two strings will be joined. Concat of strings A and then which method? Concat then which string we want to join with the A, string E, and here this is an extra line, so we can delete it. So we can check our output. Let's see how many closing brackets we are having. Already two. One is for main and other is for class. So let's save it. First of all, let's compile it also. And here one bracket is required. So let's do that. Now again compile it. Now let's compile it. There is no syntax error. Save the class. Close the class. Now we are going to run this and let's check the output. See, it has used all the string manipulation, and the uppercase of Vijay is here in capital letter, and after replacing M with N it gives computer, and then string after removing blank space is easy understanding. Here we must have written this spelling mistake, so it has actually trimmed the extra spaces after understanding whatever we wrote. Now next is equal string. It has checked whether the two strings are equal, true, and here all the string manipulation function it has used. Thanks for watching.